Publish SEO-optimized content in minutes. See how Waravel's Page Generator plugin creates dozens of high-ranking pages from a single template. Let's get started. Add placeholders against which you would like to generate content, pages, i.e., city names, services, etc. Start with a blank template to build your SEO content strategy from the ground up. Upload your sample page, prompt, content guideline to follow to generate pages. Specify the number of words content you require. Select the placeholder, which you created earlier, i.e., city names, services, etc. Write prompt, instruction about the pages you would like to generate. Insert the relevant internal links, which Waravel utilized across the pages naturally. Select the relevant schema. Markups Waravel will generate JSON format schemas and insert into each page. Select the parent page ID. Hit publish and watch your SEO optimized pages go live, ready to attract organic traffic. 5 well-optimized pages generated in 8 minutes and 15 seconds. View all 5 generated pages. Modify page content in real time to keep information accurate and relevant. Modify the content if required. Services and FAQs, schemas generated and implemented by Waravel Page Generator plugin. One of the page header. Another header content of the page. Beautifully generated content by Waravel. After each changing update the page. All 5 pages are published. Google Console Insight indexed and ranked pages. High competitive search terms within 24 hours using Waravel. 2 is really very low domain authority to rank against high authority. Domains in very competitive terms, but help of Waravel. We did it less than 24 hours. Without a single backlink content ranked instantly with Waravel. One of the page is already on 15th position, second page of Google, without any single backlink. Answering service-related terms are highly competitive terms. CPC OS, some are on Google Ads around $22. We archived organic ranking on page 2 and 3 within 24 hours for a brand new site. Ready to scale your content strategy? You've seen how easy it is. Now imagine hundreds of ranking pages driving traffic to your site. Let's build that.